What if I told you that in the next 60 seconds, with just a press of a button, an AI could find a profitable YouTube niche, create a branded YouTube channel, create 10, 20, even 50 videos, add voiceovers, scenes, and thumbnails, upload them to YouTube, and monetize everything automatically, and start building your channel while you do absolutely nothing. No filming, no editing, no recording, just one click. You'd probably think I'm lying, but watch this. That channel with over 30 videos you just watched being built, it's already live on YouTube in front of 2.7 billion monthly viewers, and it took less than 60 minutes. Look, you've heard about faceless YouTube channels. You know people are making $3,000, $10,000, even $40,000 per month from channels where the creator never once showed their face. Adavia Davis, 22 years old dropout, generates $40,000 to $60,000 a month from AI-powered faceless channels. 2 million views per day, never been on camera once. The infographic show, $200,000 a month, completely faceless. But here's what they don't tell you. You spend weeks trying to figure out which niche is profitable, only to find it's already saturated. You hire a scriptwriter for $200 a video, and they deliver garbage you still have to rewrite. You try to edit the video yourself and spend 6 hours on one clip. You pay a thumbnail designer $75, and it still doesn't get clicks. You upload and get 14 views, and you want to quit. That's $720 or more per week in production costs and 40 hours of your time for just 4 videos. Meanwhile, channels that win are publishing 4 or 5 times a week consistently for months. How? They found a way to eliminate the process entirely. In 2024, something changed. A new technology emerged called agentic AI. Not AI writing assistants, not AI tools that help you. Fully autonomous AI agents that execute entire workflows without human intervention. Google's CEO called it the most significant leap in artificial intelligence history. Microsoft committed $13 billion to develop it. And now, for the first time ever, this technology has been packaged into a complete YouTube channel building system. Meet ChannelAgent, the world's first fully autonomous AI agent that builds, runs, and monetizes a complete faceless YouTube channel. At the press of one button, it doesn't assist you with YouTube, it replaces you. Here's how it works. You open ChannelAgent. You see one button. You press it. That's it. No typing, no prompts, no decisions. Watch what happens next. The research agent activates immediately. It scans thousands of trending YouTube videos, validates CPM rates, analyzes competition gaps, and identifies exactly which niche gives your channel the best shot at ranking and earning fast. No guessing. Live data. In seconds, the branding agent builds your entire channel identity, name, description, logo, concept, banner, everything a professional brand strategist charges $2,000 to do. Done automatically before you've looked away from the screen. The SEO agent does the keyword research most people skip. It generates 100+ ranked keywords, maps out ranking opportunities, builds topic clusters, and creates your entire 30 to 90-day content roadmap. You'll know exactly what videos to publish, in what order, to dominate your niche. You don't have to wonder what to post next. ChannelAgent already knows, and it's already planning 90 days ahead. The script agent writes all 30 video scripts, not outlines. Full scripts with pattern interrupt hooks in the first 8 seconds, storytelling loops that hold watch time, and CTAs placed exactly where conversions peak. The voice agent records broadcast quality AI narration in your chosen style and language. Your viewers won't know it's AI. Your algorithm won't care. The video agent matches everything with B-roll, animations, subtitles, and background music synced to frame-perfect precision. What an editor charges $300 to $800 to do, ChannelAgent does in seconds. The thumbnail agent generates high CTR thumbnail designs, contrast optimized, psychologically engineered to stop the scroll and force the click. The monetization agent automatically embeds affiliate links from Amazon, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Digistore24, and CPA networks into every video description, pinned comment, and end screen. Your channel doesn't just get views, it gets paid. And the publishing agent exports each video, uploads directly to YouTube via API, writes the optimized title, fills in the description, adds tags, chapters, end screens, and thumbnail, then schedules everything at peak engagement time. You never log into YouTube. You never click upload. 30 videos, fully branded, SEO optimized, monetized from day one. Live on YouTube in under 60 minutes, and you pressed one button. Don't take my word for it. Meet Marcus. He'd been trying to start a YouTube channel for 2 years. Every time he got close, the editing or scripting stopped him cold. He got ChannelAgent on a Wednesday, woke up Thursday to 30 videos live on a fully branded, monetized channel. First affiliate commission hit 9 hours later. Meet Priya. She runs a digital marketing marketing agency. She used to charge clients $1,500 to set up a YouTube presence, and it took her team 3 weeks. Now she delivers a complete 30-video channel package in under an hour. She built 3 client channels in one afternoon, charged $1,500 each, $4,500 from a tool she paid pennies for. Meet Gerald, 58 years old, not tech-savvy, never made a YouTube video in his life. He clicked the button and watched the AI build his entire retirement income channel in front of him. First AdSense payment came in week 3. These aren't mock-ups. These are real channels. Live on YouTube, generating real income. Created by people with zero experience, zero tech skills, and zero production background, who just pressed a button. Here's what makes ChannelAgent different from every other YouTube tool on the market. Other tools still make you do the work. You research the niche, you write the prompts, you fix the AI output, you edit the video, you upload it yourself, and fill in every field manually. ChannelAgent does all of it, automatically, from research to revenue, without you lifting a finger. It creates 30 complete publish-ready videos in a single click. It builds your channel in English, Spanish, French, German, Arabic, and more, opening international markets most creators never touch. It generates bulk batches of 10, 50, 100, even 300 videos when you need volume. And it works in any niche: finance, AI tools, true crime, health, productivity, self-improvement, business, relationships. If YouTube has an audience for it, ChannelAgent builds the channel. Now, a system like this that replaces a full YouTube production team and does the work of 30 specialist creators should cost at least $297 a month minimum. Our beta users are making far more than that from a single channel. But here's the thing, I use ChannelAgent myself every single day. My own channels generate more than enough income. I don't need to charge you monthly for something that already works. What I need is your success story. I need you to build your first channel, get your first affiliate commission, and prove to everyone watching that this is as real as I know it is. So today, during this launch window only, you're getting full access to ChannelAgent for just $17. One time, no monthly fees, no subscriptions, no API costs. Build unlimited channels and publish unlimited videos forever. Plus, you're getting over $17,000 in bonuses. The 0 to 5K YouTube monetization blueprint, 100 done-for-you high CPM faceless channel niches, the YouTube affiliate goldmine, the highest paying affiliate programs with pre-written templates, the agency client closer pack, everything you need to sell YouTube channel services to clients for $1,000 to $2,000 each, the Faceless Channel Growth Accelerator training, and a commercial license worth almost $2,000. Yours free during this launch window. Everything for $17, and you're protected by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If ChannelAgent doesn't build your channel, generate your videos, and publish content to YouTube exactly as promised. If you're not completely blown away for any reason at all, just email us. Full refund. No questions, no delays, no forms. You either love it or you pay nothing. But I have to be honest with you. Due to server infrastructure and API capacity limits, we can only accept a limited number of users at this price. Once we hit that number, or the timer hits 0, this one-time price disappears permanently. It moves to a monthly subscription and it will never come back down. Right now, access is still available, but this window is closing fast. So here's what happens next. Click the button below. Get instant access to ChannelAgent. Set your income goal. Press one button and watch an AI build, run, and monetize your complete faceless YouTube channel while you do literally nothing. 2.7 billion monthly YouTube users are already there. Your channel just needs to exist. Click below before access closes. Every day you wait is a day someone else claims your niche, your keywords, and your audience. Click now. Your YouTube income channel starts in under 60 minutes.